Even before I start saying anything about the movie, I would like to say, Amit sir, we love you.
Before I talk anything about the film, let me thank Amir ji. He is so humble, so nice, and the pretension is not with him. I just called him with slight embarrassment because his son's film is being released on the same day as 7th. and I started like this, sir, I don't know, I can ask this help, but the only superstar I know and I have made films is you. Can I invite you for the trailer launch? He said, what is there? Both the films will run well, don't worry about it, I'll come, that's all.
I don't know whether I should do this, but I want to, so hell yes. मैं 15 साल से आपके सामने एक चीज करना चाहता हूँ सर. चकर का चीचाई चो चकलोरम गंडो वंडो लकर कटम अक्को टक्को इडी गिडी इडिगो इडिपाई विडिपाई चिकी चकचो गिली गिली मल सुलु सुलु मल मकाना का हुकुबु करे टुकुबु करे चकला का भिक्को चिक्को सिली 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 गो चगड़दुम भगड़दुम चिकी चकचो. क्या बात. पैन इंडियन फिल्म गजनी का जिक्र होता ही है. एंड यू नो वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग benchmark सेट कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
No, sir. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told
sound
me
like me.
It was a late night, sir. And I thought it was
Short-term memory loss.
Firstly, very good evening to everyone. Amir sir, thank you so much for coming. I'm not someone who believes in sentiments too much, but I can't help but draw a parallel to, I remember the film I did with Sai Pallavi, Love Story. Amir sir had watched the trailer and he had messaged me saying, wow, what a lovely trailer. Can I come for the event that we were having in 2 days from there? And I said, sir, it's all planned. Chiranjeevi Garu is the chief guest and all that. He said, no, I'm coming. I just want to come and enjoy the event. So he came there. He gave us so much positivity. And the film turned out to becoming a huge success for both of us. And now again we're here with a film that Pallavi and I are doing. Tandel and Amir sir is here to launch the trailer. It's such a magical moment for me. Sir, if this film works, which we all have the confidence that it will work on Feb 7th, I'll have to call you for every trailer release that Pallavi and I do. So I'm sorry, I'll have to ask you.
Gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Amir Khan. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And I can say on behalf of each and every cine lover कि जब आप खड़े होते हैं किसी क्रू के साथ, किसी फिल्म के साथ, तो वो भरोसा ना थोड़ा और गहरा हो जाता है कि आमिर खान वो है तो कुछ तो होगा. Please talk to us about this entire thing.
सबसे पहले तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा. आप सब ने इतना प्यार दिया है मुझे. All of you all have given me so much love. Thank you so much. I'm really touched. But the fact is that, Arvind Garu is like an elder brother. And when his phone came, his film is releasing. So before even knowing everything, I had first said yes, you know that, sir. I had said yes. Then he said, no, but I want you to know it's coming on 7th. I said, हाँ. So then he said, your son's film is also releasing. I said, no problem. सब फिल्में चलेंगी यार. I think जब फिल्म की कहानी अच्छी होती है तो ऑडियंस उसको पसंद करती है. और बहुत दफ़ा हमने देखा है कि साथ में बहुत सारी फिल्में एक साथ चली हैं. तो all my very best. I really love the trailer. It's a fantastic trailer. It's so well shot and great music. You know, there's a song of yours, Dinka Chika, Dinka Chika. That's my favorite song. Yeah, मैं normally मुझे नाचना पसंद नहीं है, but वो गाना बजता है तो मैं शुरू हो जाता हूँ. I promise you. And Salman knows this. Yeah. So I think it's a great trailer. The story, as you said, it's a true story and it's certainly a story which is very moving. And जिस तरह ट्रेलर में हमने देखा है, It's so beautifully shot and the emotions have come out so well. Jay is an amazing actor, and so is Sai Pallavi. So both of their moments have come out so well, and I think it's going to be a huge success. My very best to the entire team, Jay.
Thank you so much, sir. I would request all of you to kindly be seated. Thank you so much. Okay, so
And I wish I should make another, now it is 100 has become 1000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want to make 1,000 crore film with him now.
Sir, definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Gajni too. Maybe Gajni too.
So a lot of,
Yeah, something is
on the net is going around Gajni too.
going around.
यूं तो आमिर की गिनती सलमान और शाहरुख खान के साथ होती है, जिन्होंने कई सारी हिट फिल्में दी है कई दशकों तक, लेकिन आजकल उनकी पॉपुलैरिटी काफ़ी कम हो गई है। साउथ की फिल्म थंडेल के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर काफ़ी सारे साउथ के एक्टर जैसे कि नागा चैतन्य और म्यूजिशियन डीएसपी के अलावा जाने माने प्रोड्यूसर अल्लू अर्जुन के डैडी अल्लू अरविंद आए थे, जिन्होंने जमकर आमिर खान की तारीफ़ें की पुल बांध दिए और हर किसी ने उनके लिए काफ़ी सारी अच्छी अच्छी बातें की।